Eastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, southwestern Pike County in west central Georgia, northwestern Upson County in west central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Molina, or 9 miles west of Zebulon, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Zebulon, Woodbury, Molina, Meonsville, Gay, Hilltop, Lipsey Springs, Imlake, and Hollandville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS